Hey guys, Chad here. We are out here in Clifton Township.
Correct.
Over here kind of by Dumont with Brian here. Actually, he is actually running multiple of our products on his John Deere. This is a 2410, right?
2410 True Depth.
2410 True Depth here. So Brian has had some issues with the True Depths. So we fitted him with the True Depth towers and the strap. And right, why did you decide to go with the True Depth tower over the John Deere stamped or even the cast iron version?
So the quality, the durability, in the long run, the downtime, it makes for a headache, cost me money. I figured going with the Tough Ag towers, it saves me the time, saves my workers. It's just all around a better product.
Okay, so you actually had some broken ones.
Correct.
Actually, and that's why you had to come to us to get the True Depth towers. Now with our True Depth towers, we have eliminated the smaller bolts in the bushings up here on the top and down on the bottom, and we actually run a solid pin with a locking collar, and I'll show you that over here, and we'll have some pictures also to go along with it. And then a 7/8 bolt up here on the top. So what that's going to do, right, Brian? That's going to alleviate extra parts, and it's going to be stronger.
Correct. Bushings, they wear out in a matter of a couple hundred acres. You're tearing it apart. If you're one guy, it's a lot to do. You can do it, but it just eliminates another wear point.
It does. And then we offer, actually, with all of our Tough Ag towers, we offer the side plate, the spring pocket cup in the back here, and the tower, and then our strap. And actually, if you look right over here, you can actually kind of see on this one right here, this is one of our units right here. You can actually see how the strap goes on there, how easy that is to get your impact on here, where you're not fighting on the back side of there trying to get that U-bolt in there. And with the strap, it's going to be a lot wider, so it's going to give you more meat on your bar right here, which is going to be less wear and tear on your bar. Here we're looking at one of the John Deere towers, and you can see all the welding that has been done on this, trying to salvage it. There's cracks running down through here. It's just, the product is, it's not that great, is it?
No, it's not. The Tough Ag towers, like I said, I've tried the cast iron, tried a couple other aftermarket ones. The Tough Ag towers are just superior over the rest of them.
So, if you're having the same problem with your John Deere chisel plow, with that True Depth tower, and you don't want to spend that costly money on the cast iron version, we offer a grade 80 3/8 steel. It's going to be the exact same side with the updated pins, the bolts, everything there for $299 for the tower. The strap, you're going to be looking at about $85 on this one right here. So $395 versus that $500-600 for that John Deere cast iron version. And then we offer the lifetime manufacturer's warranty on this product because we are so confident in our product here. And people like Brian here and other customers are using, the proof's in the pudding, right?
It is. You look at the quality and the workmanship of that product, and it sells itself.
It really does. One of the other things while we're out here, because Brian is actually using some of our products, is, Brian said you put these on. When did you put this on?
So that one there I just put on this morning.
And this is just your standard 3-inch concave twist from Nichols right here. Obviously we can see that didn't hold up really well breaking that bolt here. And we're really in Clifton here. We're not in a really rocky area, are we?
If you find a rock, it's going to be a little pebble. I dropped it in on the headlands, and that was all she wrote.
So with our products here, I'm actually going to crawl back over here so I can show you this. With our products here, we have the AgriCarb 3-inch twists and 4-inch twists available. And what you're going to see here is with this tungsten inlay on here, how nice of a job that's going to do. And then everything here is a hex head bolt instead of using a plow bolt on here. Now, Brian was just telling me when I got out here that he has actually put 3 sets of the Nichols on to R1. And you look at this product down here, there's no wear on that. You can't even tell that we've used it.
Yeah, it stands up. It is an amazing product. Like I said, we're a little over 700 acres on that, and I've already burnt through 3.5 sets of the Nichols.
So, one of the things is that we'll tell you with Tough Ag and with our AgriCard products, you know, we're not always going to be the cheapest, but we're going to have the best quality at the best price, because we don't want you guys out there spending that time when you should be sitting in the tractor and getting the tillage done.
Yeah, the downtime, and you know, it all costs you money.
It really does. So if there's anything that we can do to help you here at Tough Ag, go ahead and check us out online at toughag.com, or you can give us a call with the 1-800 number or 320-695-2351 and hit option 2 for Tough Ag, and Bill or I or anybody that's there will be willing to help you and, you know, save you some money.